We're going to talk about yeast infection signs, or many people know them as symptoms. But regardless, we're going to talk about what you can look for if you do have a yeast infection. Yeast infection signs for women would include itching, irritation, and burning in the vagina, white and abnormal discharge from vagina, pain during sexual intercourse, inflammatory redness in the perineum area, oversensitivity and irritation of the pubic hair follicles, frequent pain during urination, and low pelvic aching. Each of these are signs for women who may have yeast infections. It's important to note that not all discharge indicates a yeast infection. Some discharges are normal. Some appear during menstrual cycle that are yellow and mucus-like. Some appear when sexual arousal occurs, and only when it's cottage cheese-like with a bread-like or yeasty odor, along with other signs mentioned earlier, is it a yeast infection. So keep these things in mind when you are not sure if you have a yeast infection or not. Yeast infection signs for men differ. Actually, a lot of people think that only women get yeast infections because they're most common in the vaginal area, but they are there for men as well. So obviously vaginal yeast infection symptoms are not common when it comes to male symptoms. If you notice the following, you probably will have a yeast infection, and you may want to talk to your doctor about it, especially because yeast infections are less normal for men. But anyway, the signs for men would be a burning sensation and irritation during and after sexual intercourse, white lesions and red rash in the penis area, as well as a drop of white discharge from the penis also. These are good signs for a man suffering with yeast infection. Some important information to consider is that yeast affects your entire body. Look for a natural solution that will heal your problem, not cover the symptoms. Too many people think that because yeast manifests itself in one area, if you treat that area and everything looks fine after, then you're fine. But that's not true. It will keep coming back unless you get to the root problem. You can find specific information regarding natural remedies to yeast infections at defeatyeast.com. That's www.defeat, D-E-F-E-A-T, yeast, Y-E-A-S-T.com. There should be a live link at the right that can take you to defeatyeast.com, but they have several specific blogs regarding specific remedies, how to heal your situation, what's going on, what to be aware of, what to eat, what not to eat. Just tons of information that's there for you. So check out defeatyeast.com, and best of luck for your situation.